OrthoPulse, your orthopedic news bulletin. Frozen shoulder holds the key to understanding fibrosis resolution. Researchers at Endorms have unlocked how cells tackle frozen shoulder, hinting at less invasive treatments. Frozen shoulder immobilizes patients, disrupting lives with its long-lasting stiffness, but interestingly resolves on its own over time. By analyzing tissues from patients, the team discovered how macrophages and fibroblasts collaborate to mend the shoulder's ligaments. This cellular teamwork not only combats inflammation, but also remodels tissue, showcasing a natural resolution process for frozen shoulder. Comparative studies with rheumatoid arthritis patients confirm the crucial role of these macrophages in inflammation and fibrosis resolution. The findings suggest a new therapeutic approach targeting these cells, potentially easing frozen shoulder and other fibrotic conditions. Subscribe to Orthopaedic Academy channel to stay up to date with the latest news in orthopedics.